Okay, so what we're going to be doing here, we're going to be taking that hanger loose, getting it out of the way. We're going to be taking the clamp loose, and then this one, it should slip apart. You might have to put a little bit of oil on those to make it easier to get them out. And pretty much the same thing on the passenger side. It's pretty easy to install. Yeah, I think a 13 to 14 is all we needed. Okay, so what we're running into is a pipe is hitting this factory stud right here, so we're gonna have to grind that off, and we'll let the hangers line up here and here. It's got the muffler sitting at a funny angle, so we'll knock that off. Okay, so what we're dealing with is we got all the hangers bolted up, it's all clamped up, but as you can see, it's a little bit off center. This side's not, the driver's side's not terrible, but the passenger side is not even close.